I am asking you, why did the government of India hope and work in a way that the government of India and the people of India would lose the case? M.R. Venkatesh, I want to start with you. What do you think is the story here? And who needs to explain?
First of all, I am sure that the Prime Minister, then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has to explain why he replaced somebody like Harish Salve with, as you very rightly said, quasi-joker, quasi-buffoon. Now the moot point is, Arnab, I suspect something very sinister. You contrive to lose a case because there will be outgo of money from the exchequer. And obviously, outgo of money from the exchequer will enable you to get kickbacks. It's as simple as that. If you want to get kickbacks, you want to get party to this whole damn loot, you have to pay money. If you win the case, you will at best get accolades, nothing more. But if you lose the case, you get money. What do you want?
And I also want to share here.
What do you want?
I also want to share here, Geeta Luthra, I want to share here that this new team that came in was asked to get all the papers out from Harish Salve. So all the work done by Harish Salve was supposed to be got to enable them to lose the case better. And I know of many countries that have many priorities. I know of no country in the world where one team of lawyers almost gets you to the brink of winning against Enron. And the first thing you do when you come to power is appoint a fresh team of lawyers who work very hard to lose the case. By losing the case, I mean go in for a settlement. I don't know the amount, but I'm going to reveal this tomorrow. Tomorrow, by the way, viewers, I will reveal how much money we've coughed up. And let me tell you, India paid out a lot of money in 2004 to lose the case. Geeta Luthra, before I go into specifics on this whole case, you can have a technical argument on this saying every government can change any team of lawyers. But does this make any sense to you? This appointment of a Pakistani lawyer replacing Harish Salve and
so I think, you know, to be the devil's advocate, Mr. Qureshi is in fact perhaps a QC and a Barrett law and perhaps practicing in the UK, if I'm not mistaken. Now, much
is not more qualified than Harish Salve?
I believe myself that Harish Salve, no, 1 minute. I'm not talking of qualifications. In this profession, qualifications are not necessarily the important aspect. What's important is your ability as a lawyer. You may not be as qualified, you may be less qualified. In Mr. Salve's case, Mr. Salve is one of our finest lawyers. I think
why was he
sacked one of the world's finest
from
lawyers.
This case?
But having said that, no, it's not called sacking. Firstly,
removal.
You are not sacked. You are just, you know, another team comes in.
Why?
Now,
why? The question is why?
When a political dispensation changes, when a political dispensation changes,
no. You can change your Attorney General, not this type of people.
Because, so 1 minute. Yes, you do change, and that's why, for example, in a country, an Attorney General or a solicitor or a law officer will resign when the government changes. But the question was, Mr. Salve was asked, 1 minute, Mr. Salve was asked, Mr. Salve said he is ready to continue.
Yes.
And he is ready to continue at concessional fees.
Yes.
But it was still the prerogative of the government if they felt, we want a person who will...
As a prerogative, you can do anything. May I come in, please? As a prerogative, you can do anything. I am not on the issue of prerogative at all. I am not arguing on technicality. Chidambaram, anyone can come in and say, you know what, I don't like Mr. Salve. I think that Khawar Qureshi, this unknown Pakistani specimen of a lawyer, whose, by the way, legal abilities and intellectual abilities appear both extremely, very, very well challenged when he appeared. You know, he couldn't even finish his arguments out here. Sonia Gandhi and Manmohan Singh must have seen some peculiar ability in this guy. I don't know. Peculiar ability for what? But consider the order of events, Ms. Luthra.
So,
consider the order of events, Geeta Luthra. Harish Salve and Soli Sorabji, two of India's most preeminent and qualified lawyers, both in India and in global level. You agree with me on that? You agree with me on that so far? We're on the case.
Absolutely.
Salve tells a reporter, Salve tells Rhythm on record that he was in charge. While he was in charge, India was in a pretty decent place in the case. And Salve is not a man who is known for boasting. Now the question we are asking today is, how exactly do we go from being in a pretty decent place, Sumansi Raman, right, to reaching an out-of-court settlement that drained the Indian exchequer of a lot of money? And I am saying tomorrow I will reveal how much money we paid. We paid through a damn nose for it. And I am saying it cannot be a coincidence that the only thing which changed drastically was the fact that a top Indian lawyer was replaced inexplicably with a Pakistan origin lawyer.